Sage dashboard has been upgraded. Now under monetary loss, you'll see you'll also be able to track plug trap costs as well as costs from your CO2 emissions. This will be brought in to include your steam losses we already track. You'll see here you can see your CO2 emissions in metric tons per year. Over here, with the new resolve feature, you'll now be able to take a glance at your average time to resolve across your population. And then under trap tested, we've expanded the information here to show breakdowns by frequency in that how many traps were tested in the last 6 to 12 months, or if I mouse over this one, it shows me how many traps were tested in the last 3 to 6 months. And you'll be able to get actionable insight on how frequently your population is being tested, as well as the average across the entire population right here in the center. As far as your CO2 emissions and plug trap costs, to be able to edit those values, you simply click on the gear in the top right corner, then click on Locations, click on the name of your location, and right here on the general details next to your boiler information, you'll also be able to input a value for your CO2 per metric ton, as well as a plug trap cost. Now this is an annual cost per trap that is plugged, and you can define those costs, and then they'll be able to be calculated on your dashboard.